Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official fall cookbook. Today we're making a Radstag stew. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. We are once again beginning with prep. First, you want to peel and grate one 3-inch piece of ginger. Then you want to chop 6 cloves of garlic. Then you want to trim and chop 1 lemongrass stalk. Then you're going to slice 2 medium red onions. Then you're going to seed and chop 1 serrano pepper, and then you're going to roughly chop a cup of cilantro. And finally, you're going to cut 2 pounds of goat or lamb meat into bite-sized pieces. I used goat meat, which is the first time I've had goat meat. It was interesting, and you'll hear my thoughts at the end of the video, like normal. Now, you're going to heat a tablespoon of canola oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. And you're going to add the garlic, ginger, and lemongrass and cook for 3 minutes until fragrant. Then you're going to add the red onion and cook until the onion just starts to brown, about 5 minutes more. It was a little shorter for me, but it was around that time. Wasn't like too much shorter. Maybe it was longer. I just know it wasn't exact. Once they're starting to brown, you're going to mix in a tablespoon of ground turmeric, 2 tablespoons ground coriander, a tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons garam masala, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of ground fennel, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 serrano pepper. And you're going to mix that together, and then you're going to add the goat meat. And you're going to cook the goat meat until it's brown, so about 5 minutes. Next, you're going to add 1 28-ounce can of chopped tomatoes and 2 bay leaves. And you're going to bring that up to a simmer and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then you're going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. I added far too much coconut milk, I'm realizing now. And no, yeah, I read it as 2 cans, no, 2 cups of coconut milk. Oh well. And you're going to let that simmer uncovered for 15 minutes. Then you're going to stir in your cilantro and serve over rice and enjoy. This was pretty dang good. I enjoyed it. Goat meat is pretty chewy. It's pretty tough, but it's not hard to eat. It's not like an overdone steak where you're chewing it for forever. It's like you chew it for a normal amount of time. You just kind of swallow it then. It's not hard to eat, and it doesn't make sense to me, but it's very good, and I would definitely have this again. 9 out of 10.